Hi guys, today we are going to do some arena free vending machine only challenge with Theo. Say hi, even though they can't hear you. Oh yeah, sorry, his name is Thezo, I got it wrong. So let's go and do. Yeah, his real name's Theo, but it's Thezo. So we're gonna land Paradise Play because that has the most spawns. And by the way, Thezo has a channel called Infinity K. Type it up, go down to a channel that says IK on the picture and subscribe to that channel. He has 10 subscribers. So let's go into some serious vending machines. Thezo, ready up. Theo, I'm just zooming into your face. Theo, you're gonna want to see this video afterwards. So guys, that was kind of cringy, I know. I'm just gonna stand up like that. Oh, that's a bit too high. Guys, I have found a way to make it so that you can see the TV. Oh, that one's okay. So guys, we are probably gonna land Paradise because that has the most vending machine spawns. Thezo, are you good? Nice. Yeah. Sorry, I forgot. I'm trying to do this. Yeah, guys, I can't make it. So no, wait, we're still okay. Guys, I'm missing my stop. No, Theo, I can glide over there. As you can see, there's the mini map. There's me. You don't give a flying monkey. So guys, we are still landing Paradise. I probably can't make it. Will you go to retail? Suppress scar. Yeah. I'm at retail. Will you go in the rift to retail? Because I feel like I'm gonna die. No, somebody's in my house. I think I'm getting out of here. Help! Somebody was in my house and you didn't come to me. You! Oh my gosh! Why? That's mean. Theo said that he doesn't give a flying monkey if I die. That's mean. Theo, if you see my videos, have you seen how short my hair is? It's short, isn't it? No, it's not. I'm not that bold. You don't give a flying monkey if I don't have a flying monkey. Oh my god. Theo, get my card, it expires soon. He has a shotgun, by the way. Bring me back to life. Yes, in there. It's not at the top. It's there. It's right next to you, man. Where you go? It was up there. The second floor, right there. There's a reboot van. There's a reboot van. Right here. I know. Yeah, I think you're gonna there's somebody there. Get that guy. Just get it. Just get me. Just get me. I will have my grey pistol that I want. So guys, we are still doing the free vending machine only challenge. I know it's not a vending machine. I'm back. Bye bye pistol. Get that guy. I'll try and pickaxe him. No, I do. I don't have a weapon. I don't know where all the free vendors are. True. No, there's somebody here. Stupid calamity on a driftboard. Oh well, okay guys, we just both died. We all load him back into the lobby. I wish I had somewhere to put my iPad when I didn't have to like hold. Yeah, I got the glider that you had on. Yeah, I got the glider that you had on. But I'm not changing my palm leaf. Woodsland Paradise, because we're still trying to do the free vendor only. I don't think we should be doing arena though. What do you want, sucker? Oh my gosh, I am offended. I'm gonna ask everybody in the class to subscribe to Daz Bam. I'm gonna say it's totally not me. Subscribe. Okay. No. Bugsy mine are bugs that you can't have it. No, you didn't. You just said, I'm gonna go for it. No, the spawn didn't happen, Theo. That means we... I see a vending... No, bags it. I bags it. No, you didn't. You didn't bags it. No. We're allowed to pick up... No, on this, we're allowed to pick up one thing that isn't out of a vendor, a treasure map. And you're allowed to pick up the things that are inside. So in our vending machine only challenge, we're doing a twist. We're gonna make sure that you are allowed to pick up the things from inside treasure maps. Theo, I'm sorry, I'm going for my treasure map. Somebody's shooting at me. Oh well. It's actually... Oh, that was so close right now. Guys, that is my treasure map right there. It's my treasure map, so Theo doesn't get first pick. Somebody's shooting from the pirate camp. No! Theo, get me. You get them. They only have a grey AR. What? Yeah, they hit every shot there. Guys, we just died from somebody who probably has aimbot. No, I'm not. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video now because I hardly have any percentage on my iPad. So, bye.